really everybody waiting on to do a sideshow, but they can't do it because the spot that they do it, they got it chained up. So everybody kind of just waiting around until somebody brings some bolt cutters and they can break that mug open, man. I'm saying as soon as that mug go open, everybody gonna be in the back behind this building, and it's gonna be nothing but burnouts, man. Just doing freaking, just cutting up donuts galore. So that's all they waiting on right now, man. As soon as they get that mug open, I'm telling you, it's over. But in the meantime, everybody just hit the block, just out here, swerving, cutting up, you know, all the normal stuff. This Baton Rouge, so big raggedy. Cars just cutting. They just cutting up out here right now. And they usually gonna probably set up some spot where they gonna do some races. They got like 3 or 4 spots people usually go to. They about to find out right now. So when people start matching up the races, they gonna let everybody know, and everybody gonna probably take off and head up. Everybody just waiting too, man.
Rep for the niggas who rep for the A. Rep why from down, rep why stay. Ain't time to Baton Rouge, boy, nigga don't talk with the phone till you don't, then you rep with the K. Real nigga face die judge on the case, put a couple $100,000 in the gloves, in the safe, pit bulls in the yard, all the clothes in the gate. That's a real trap house, you can act the DA. Looking for a nigga who build on a nigga, isn't safe with the law, so a street full of killers. Do a lifetime trying to dodge those niggas, so you do 100 life with the boys ever get you. Will your mama ever see your face on the T, or your brother and your mama see your face on the picture? Live by the code, then you die by the code. That's a rules for the streets and the niggas that's in it. What's head? Riding with the trunk slam. Real niggas in the hood, I'm dead. Give a fuck, let the motherfuckers real motherfuckers, let the motherfuckers know I'm rapping. When I do it for the north side, south side, east side, west side, I know what I'm on. Real nigga, 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 real nigga. Yeah, I get it from the bottom of the mud. Come cheese that, I'll be that. Leave that shit, G-stacks, I sit back and relax and fluff seats of B-lack. D-gag, take me back up, Jackers trying to evac, and she don't speak of me. Through a friend that I used to cut at D-Mac. It's been a couple years since a nigga got to be that. Tell her, and if she throw that pussy at me, I'ma throw some feedback. What's happening? Riding with the trunk slam.
What's happening? Riding with the trunk slam.
What's happening? Riding with the trunk slam.
Slam.
Real niggas in the hood, I'm
Damn.
What's happening? Riding with
And they're out here cutting up.
slam. Real niggas in the hood, I'm there. Give a fuck, let the motherfuckers, real motherfuckers, let the motherfuckers know I'm rapping.
They're out here cutting up.
For the north side, south side, east side, west side, motherfuckers know I'm on. Real nigga, 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 real nigga. Yeah, I get it from the bottom of the mud.
Oh snap. Wait a minute. What happened? Who got it open?
He happy.
You happy?
He happy.
This boy right here, boy, what you play nose guard?
I used to be tackle. I played
Tackle.
all three.
Ooh, boy, cracking heads back here, boy.
Take the pretty bitch up there right there. Sit down now, man.
They don't even know yet. Everybody about to figure out that the back opened up. So everybody about to start coming back here, doing donuts on the sideshow. They say they racing everywhere. What's up, man? What's up? So yeah, everybody about to start coming to the back for the sideshow, cause now they about to cut up. Look, people running to this side. The back and open that mug up, so they about to start coming out there now. Hey man, so ain't the best news tonight. They couldn't do the racing, none of the races. They couldn't freaking have a sideshow. I mean, cause the cops pulled up like one of them must have been watching the whole time, like it always is. And as soon as everything started going, whipped up, whoop whoop. Break it all up, and all the cops just hung around the rest of the night on the highway. Tell everybody to left, just kind of just doing that intimidation thing, calling about 20 cars, just lining up and just keeping their lights on, because they know they can't go in the parking lots messing with everybody. Until everything just kind of dissolved and broke up. So I guess next time out to catch it, and make sure y'all get a good look of it, man, because that wasn't it, man. That was not it. So, but I mean, it was fun while it lasted, though. We actually sat up for a little while, trying to see if the scene was gonna change or somebody was gonna give a different location, but nothing happened. But anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe. Make sure y'all comment down and let me know what y'all think. All the above, and again, peace. Alright, so I'm headed home and I passed by this state trooper. Wasn't speeding, wasn't doing nothing. I mean, nothing funny going on outside. Well, coincidentally, I didn't see him pull off or nothing, and I just saw him he stayed right there. Well, I hit the curve around, heading home to my house, and I get on this long straight road to take my on the route to my house, and literally I see some headlights start coming up with it, like way probably about a quarter of a mile behind me, maybe an eighth of a mile, not a quarter, about an eighth of a mile behind me, and my radar detector is blasting. You know, I got a Valentine one, so it got like, I don't know, maybe 8 dots when it's maxed out. Well, it was starting it off at like 6 dots, then it went to 7, then it went to 8. And then all of a sudden, after it got close, he cut off. Like he cut his radar detector off, and not sure what happened, if he turned it off or what. But, and look, I knew that was him. I knew it. I think he was trying to follow. And cause he was coming up behind me, And then he just stopped and stayed in the same position the entire time. He was riding behind me the whole time. So I got my junk on cruise control, not changing 1 mile. And he just passed me up. And then look at the police over here in the cut. Another one, look at that. They are out tonight. Oh man. Gotta be safe out here, man. Can't be too safe, but gotta be safe, man. Yeah. Like I said, man. Appreciate y'all. Like, subscribe, comment. Later.